Hello there everyone, this is with Birch. In this video I will be introducing your 01 checkpoint assignment. Okay, so we have to do a couple of things here. So it's talking about when you exercise what heart rate you should be in to get like a good exercise based on your age. So we're going to have to prompt the user for an age and then calculate a healthy heartbeat range, heartbeats per minute range that they should have when they're exercising. So right here's the formula. It says to find that range, subtract your age from 220. This difference is your maximum heart rate per minute. Then your exercising should be 65 to 85% of the heart's max. Okay, so while I was doing this, a couple of things that you might end up having to search for. First of all, how to take input in Python. Next one, if you come across an error, so if you try to print up something with a string or do math with a string and an integer or things like that, your program is not going to like it very much. And what I would do once you get that error is just search for that error. Just grab that error and put it into Google and search for it. Same thing with this error. This was another error that I've seen with people trying to do this assignment. If you're trying to print up something or do some type of math, you might have to put this error into Google as well. Another thing that you might want to look at is how to round something. You notice this guy, there aren't any decimals here. Okay, there also aren't any decimals here. So you might want to figure out how to round, which this function could help you with if you want to do a number of digits, or if you leave all of this off, so it's just round 55.6, it'll just round it to 57. Okay. Let's see what else. This guy right here was just another error, that came up, and so yeah, just a couple things that you might want to look into while you're working on this assignment. As far as the math goes, it's recommended here that you use your calculator. Okay, so run a calculator or use a calculator to ensure that your inputs match. But if you put this in, if you put in 23 and it pops out 128 to 167, that's a pretty good indicator that you have your math right. And then you also want to be able to account for numbers that have a decimal point. So, but anyways, I hope that this video is helpful for you and kind of getting you started. If you have any questions while you're working on it, just let me know or post on Slack.